everyone, this is Ieasha of Ieasha Designed It, and welcome back to my channel. Well, today I am going to be making my oldest daughter a t-shirt. She wanted me to make her a t-shirt with Tupac and type of like a poetic justice type of shirt. And this t-shirt she wanted me to make a long time ago. I made it when I was first getting into sublimation, and I didn't do a very good job with it, even though it wasn't the best, but it wasn't the worst. Okay, so she went ahead and wore it. I made it last year for, I think it was last year, yeah, last year for Halloween. We had a Halloween party, so she wanted to wear it, so I went ahead and made it for her. And if I can find the picture showing the shirt, I will link it. I will actually put it here in the video. I know I have a picture of all of us, but I don't think you can really see her shirt very well in the picture that I have. But I think I have another picture where I took it after I had sublimated, after I did the shirt. But anyway, today's video is going to be another shirt, but it's going to be different pictures and things like that. Since I have learned how to do sublimation, I learned more about sublimation, so I'm in a good place now to make it. All right, so that's why I always tell you to start where you are. You don't have to be perfect, but you do have to start. So I started, I made the shirt. It wasn't the best, but she went ahead and wore it. She loved it. So today I'm going to be making her another one. All right, so what I have this t-shirt right here. Okay, I've already went into Canva and made the design that I wanted to put on the shirt. She told me kind of like what she wanted. I went ahead and designed the shirt and asked her if she liked it. She said she did. So this is one of the shirts that I'm going to be making. All right, so I'm going to go into Canva, show you what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to print it out on my Epson ET2760, which is my converted sublimation printer. And all of the links will be in the description box below if you would like to make this t-shirt. All right, so all right, let's go ahead and get into the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. All right, so here is the design that I'm going to be doing for my daughter. I went ahead and designed it myself, and she said she liked it. But what I did, I just pulled some images from the other t-shirt that I did, and I did Janet Jackson here. And as you see, it's not so vibrant, and that's because that's the way I wanted it. But in order to get it like this, I just went right here to where it says transparency, and I clicked on it. As you see, I have it at 20. Now, if you want it to be darker, you can go up. You see how that darkens, and it's at 100%. Or you can go all the way down if you want it really, really light. And if you go all the way to 0, of course, it takes it out. But I want it to be right at 20. I think that is what I want. What my daughter said, that's what she wants. I'm going to leave it at 20. All right. And I just added this picture here. And then she wanted me to put, I think you're kind of fly. I think you're kind of fly, or I think she said, I think you're kind of fly. Okay. So I'm just going to leave that there. And I'm going to go ahead and, I put this picture here because I wanted it to look like, you see her hair is touching the O and the Y. And that's the way I wanted it. I wanted to line up exactly like I have it here. Okay. And I wanted this picture here to be kind of tall, like she's looking. You see how she's looking back, kind of like she's tall, kind of looking over them. Okay, if that makes sense. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and print this out on my Epson 2760 converted sublimation printer. And I think I'm going to go ahead. I think I have it grouped. Let me see. I'm going to go ahead and group it. And that is just to put it all together. All right, no, I don't have it grouped. So I'm going to go ahead and group it right here. And as you see, that puts it all together. That make it just one, instead of all three different images, like this is the image, this is the image, this is the image. When you group it, it makes it into one. All right, so let me go ahead and print this out, and then I'm going to go ahead and press it on the shirt. All right, everyone, so I am done, and here is how it looks. I'm trying not to put my fingers on it. Here's how it looks after I have printed it out on my sublimation printer. Absolutely gorgeous. So now what I am going to do is trim the white edges off because I don't want that. All right, and then here is my new 15 by 15 better sub heat press. I did a video on this one. I will be linking it in the card section as well as in the description box. Make sure you go in the description box and check out everything that I have linked there, because I have some watch next videos, just in case you haven't seen those. But this is absolutely amazing. I love it. Now I have butcher paper that I put on the bottom just to protect my the bottom of my press, and I'm also going to use some to protect the top of it. Always use a butcher paper, okay? All right, so I have it set at 360. I don't know if you can see that. All right, so it's set at 360 degrees for 60 seconds. So that's what I'm going to press it at. But let me go ahead and trim this off, and then I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. All right. All right, so make sure that you have your lint roller and just lint roll your shirt really, really well. This roller is do right. Okay, so just lint roll really, 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 really well all over your shirt. Okay, and then you go ahead and pre-press your shirt. Okay, I'm just still going to put butcher paper down just to the under. Okay. All right, and I'm just going to press my shirt for just maybe 4 or 5 seconds, not very long. Okay. All right, so after you lint roll and pre-press your shirt, make sure you take your design and you put it down exactly where you want it. Okay. And make sure mine is centered. Make sure you try to line it up as best as possible. All right, so now I'm just going to take my heat tape and just apply it around my shirt, just like so. Hopefully you can see what I am doing. All right, but you want to take your tape and place it all around. Now this heat press gets really, really hot, y'all. Okay, so just be careful. This heat press is linked in the description box below. Okay, very affordable heat press, 15 by 15 better sub heat press. All right, so as you see, I have put my heat tape all around my image or my design. Okay, so I'm going to take my butcher paper and just place it over the image, just like so. This is just to protect it. All right, I think I am going to, yeah, just in case, y'all, I am also going to put my Teflon sheet over over this, because I do not want any ink to leak through. So I'm just going to place my Teflon sheet over this. Okay, just in case. I have butcher paper and I have a Teflon sheet, so I'm just going to place it over, okay? So now I have my heat settings at 360 for 60 seconds. And I'm just going to go ahead and pull it down. And what I like about this, it automatically, once you pull the handle down, it automatically starts, okay? All right. All right, so it has stopped. So we're going to go ahead and open it up. All right, once you open it, the little beeping stops, which I love. All right, so I'm going to take my Teflon sheet off. Then I'm going to take my butcher paper off. All right, it's looking really good. Let me see. Oh, I don't even have to bring you close because you can see it. You see the design coming through the paper? All right. Okay. So we're going to let this cool off. We're going to take it off and we're going to see how it looks. Okay. All right, y'all. This t-shirt is for my oldest daughter. So we're going to see how it looks. Remember? All right. Let me let you. I'm going to look at you. All right. I am not selling this design. I would not advise anyone to sell anything that could be or is trademarked. All right. Now, this is only for us. I do not sell anything that is trademarked, could be trademarked, or any of that. Okay. So, this shirt is for my oldest daughter. I would recommend or advise you not to sell anything that is or could be trademarked. All right. Now, if you want to sell something like this, you do your research, just to check and get in contact with whomever you need to get in contact with. But I'm not going to sell it. Okay. All right. So now what I'm going to do, I have my little pick here and I'm going to take this off. I may not even have to do that. No, I don't need my pick. I can use my nail. All right. So hopefully you can see. Let's see if I can bring it closer. Just a little bit closer. Let's see. Yep. Bring it closer. Bring it in. All right, so let's go ahead and take the tape off and see how this looks. Ooh, I dropped something. Oh my. All right, so let's go ahead and take this off and see how it looks. Oh, y'all, I love it. This is beautiful. It looks so much, the first one I told you I made for my daughter for Halloween, this looked absolutely amazing. All right. Maybe I could have went a little while longer because I did want some more of the ink to come off, but that's okay. Let me see if you can get a good look at it. Look at it. Look how it looks. I love it. I absolutely love, love, love it. All right, so she is at home. So I'm gonna call her in here and see what she think about it, okay? All right. All right, y'all. So I got the camera all in her face. So what do you think about it? We're gonna see what she say. What you think about it? You like it? A little better than the Halloween one. All right, everyone. So that was my oldest daughter that you saw. Uh, she was eating, but she came on in here, and I had to show her the shirt. All right, she loves it. So I'm gonna show it to you again. This is it. I think you kind of fly. All right. Okay. All right, y'all. So I thank y'all so very much for watching. I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you a part of the Ieasha Design It family. I upload videos once a week. Sometimes I may come on here and upload a short, or of course, I do my inspirations. I feel like we all need motivation. We all need inspirations. And mainly what I do, I put that in my community feed. So make sure you go and check out the community feed to see what I have posted. All right, so y'all have an amazing and blessed night, and I will see y'all in my next video. Peace out. So awkward.